If you need to change your hosting or email password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to update your Mailbox password inside Hosting or hPanel, so you can secure your email account in just a few minutes. This is especially useful if you forgot your current password, want to improve security, or simply need to refresh access for your email client or Webmail login. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and hosting guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your hosting or account dashboard, also known as hPanel. Once you're signed in, look for the Email section. This is where Hosting or manages all of your email services connected to your domain. Click on Emails to open your email management area. Now, on the Emails page, you'll see your domain name listed. Click anywhere next to the domain name you want to manage. This opens the controls for that domain's email setup. If you have multiple domains, make sure you select the correct one so you don't update the wrong mailbox. After that, look over to the left sidebar and click on Mailboxes. This is where all the email accounts created under your domain are listed. You should now see a list of your mailboxes, including the email address you want to update. Find the mailbox you want to change, then click the Options button, which is usually shown as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with account actions for that specific mailbox. From that menu, select Change Password. At this point, Hostinger will give you the option to enter a new password manually or use the built-in password generator. If you want to create your own password, make sure it meets Hostinger's password rules. It needs to be between 8 and 50 characters long, and it should include at least 1 number, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 symbol. Also, make sure you only use Latin letters. That helps keep the password valid and secure. If you're not sure what password to choose, the generator can save time by creating a strong password for you automatically. Just make sure to save it somewhere safe, because once you update the Mailbox password, you'll need that new password to log in again. Once your new password is entered and everything looks correct, click Update. That confirms the change and saves your new Mailbox password right away. After that, your hosting or email password has officially been updated. From here, you can use the new password to sign into Webmail, or you can update the password in any email app or client you use on your phone, laptop, or desktop. If you're using Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or another mail app, don't forget to replace the old password there as well, or your email may stop syncing properly. And that's it. You've just learned how to change a password in Hosting your email through hPanel. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it only takes a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Hostinger guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.